What is up, good people? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing wonderful today. I hope you're doing good. I hope y'all well. Hope your family good. I hope your money right. I hope your job secured. I hope everything is going good for you today. We are here for another wig video. All right. So my people who I love dearly reached out to me to ask me to do another wig review, and this is of course a company that I have been doing a lot of wig reviews for lately. They reached out to me again. I really appreciate them doing so, and it is Luvme Hair. Alright, so the wig that I got from Luvme Hair, this is the wig. It is a chestnut ombre chestnut brown color. It's really pretty. Definitely cannot wait to rock this. It is a frontal wig and it is Swiss lace. It is not the undetectable, which I love undetectable, but we can work with this as well. So it is a Swiss lace wig. It has 4 combs. Definitely has the straps. Luvme Hair is known for their straps. It has the secure I don't know, bra hooks, I don't know, but it's 4 straps, and the cap is actually different than I normally do get, where you have the rest of the cap here, which you can cut this off. Let me get the information. So this is their chestnut brown color wig. It is 13 by 4 frontal. It is 13 by 4 frontal lace wig. It is 180% density, and the length that I have is 14. I actually wish I got something longer because I like longer wigs, but I was really happy to get this wig because, like I said, it's fall. Well, it don't feel like fall in Georgia, but it's fall somewhere, and like browns and, you know, just these deep colors. It's just perfect for fall, and I love fall because it's kind of cold, kind of not. So this would be a perfect blend for fall. There's only 2 lengths in this wig. It's 14 and 18, so I wish I got an 18. Let's see, it is 100% virgin hair from one donor. It lasts for more than 1 year. It is chestnut brown. It is pre-plucked, but I'm definitely going to pluck it some more because it is not as plucked as I would like it. If you can see it. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but it's not as plucked as I would like it. So I definitely will be plucking it some more. Alright, so stay tuned if you want to see how I install it, how I bleach the knots. Stay tuned and I will show you how. All right, y'all. So this is the wig. Listen, this is a really, I like the subtleness of the brown, the chestnut. It looks really nice. I loved that I did the wand curls. Well, let me get my color. This is I bought this years ago. This is Remington, and it's like a wave wand, and I did a video with this when I first started doing hair videos. I did a video with this, and it really does the subtle waves. It really does just make the wig look a little different. It looks different, and I love it. I love it. I love this hair. At first I was kind of iffy about the length, but the length actually, it looks like a lob, a curly lob. I think it's really pretty. I think it's really pretty. The hair is kind of thick. It's 180% density. It's kind of thick, but not overly thick like you can't manage it. I'm digging this wig. I'm really digging this wig. I am digging this wig, y'all. And you just get volume and just, ooh. I'm feeling myself, y'all. I'm feeling myself for real. I ain't felt myself in a long time. Oh, that sounds kind of weird. But I'm feeling myself with this wig. I think it looks really good, y'all. Ooh. And I just did a video. I'm posting this one first. So I'm doing a video on the foundation that I used. In this, well, the foundation that I have on. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, Luvme Hair has not failed me again. Y'all ain't failed me. I love y'all so much. But like I said, this hair was sent to me by Luvme Hair, and it's really nice. And I feel like this is a perfect wig for the holidays. Like if you're going to a Christmas party, or you know, just something formal, this would look really good in a formal setting. If you are doing something like just around the family for Thanksgiving, whatever, you can switch it up. You don't have to put in the curls. You can wear it straight if you want to. You can cut some layers. There's endless possibilities with this hair. I am feeling the hell out of this hair. I love the curls. I need to start curling, like wanding my hair more. I don't know why I stopped doing that, but this is bomb. This looks good. Out of all the wigs that I've done on my channel, this is one of my top. I like this. I like this. I like this wig. It looks so good, y'all. I look so grown up, so adult, you know. So like I got money in the bank, and I got a Tesla in my driveway, and I just feel like I got all the coins in the world, but you know, I really don't. But anyways, let me know what you think about this wig. I don't know what's wrong with me tonight. Y'all probably about to come on now. I'm ready. Let me know what you think about this wig. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. The pin, let me put the pin in so y'all can see it. This is the Luvme pin. See, and you can wear like a pin like this for the holidays. Dress it up. Dress the wig up. This pin is cute. I mean, you can, there's other pins, but I really like this pin because it actually, it expresses. I like the pins that are doing showing expressions and stuff like that, and this is really cute. Now, I don't know if this comes with all the other wigs or this is just for influencers. I really don't know, but this is really cute. So this is really cute for the holidays. You can do something, zhuzh up your hair for the holidays. You can bang it out at the Christmas party. Everybody's looking at you because you're cute and shit. So yeah, so let me know if you have any questions. Do not forget to hit me down below if you have any questions about the wig. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.